Productivity is a major challenge for any law firm, and ours is no different. One of the secrets we've uncovered is to automate the most efficient business practices. In this way, we save time and we reduce our production costs. And there are lots of benefits for our staff. By using computers to do the simple tasks, this frees up our brightest minds to do more complex work.
We first implemented Contacts Law's process modelling features in our real estate settlements work groups. There are certain tasks or steps that must be completed for every file. Process modelling enables us to map these steps into a series of milestones and tasks that must be completed in sequence.
You can customise activities and workflows in Contacts Law, and in this way the software models the way we do business, not the other way around.
Contacts Law has a workflow system, so a property settlement transaction is done in stages. There's different tasks that must be done before others are completed. Contacts Law allows you to prioritise and delegate different tasks.
The Contacts Law process model is super helpful in settlements because there's a very clear flowchart of what you need to achieve, and all the tasks are linked to each other. So once you set one task off, the next one then begins. So you are always kept up to date with what you need to do.
Before Contacts Law, we had to diarise due dates for conditions in contracts. On or before the due date, we'd check the file to see if the condition had been satisfied. In most cases it had, which meant that we had wasted a few minutes of our time. But now Contacts Law does the checking for us. If we haven't received a finance approval by the due date, the relevant member will be sent a task to notify them.
Work processes that we set up particular to each work group can trigger other tasks to be created. For example, creating one document might trigger another set of tasks to follow up the client to sign the documents or to send the document to another party.
Contacts Law will automatically notify the relevant parties when certain events occur. For example, when a settlement booking is made, the client and the real estate agent will be notified automatically by SMS or email.
Document workflows allow us to tie in particular documents to a process that needs to be met. So, for example, if we're handling a matter for family law clients who want to finalise a set of orders to be presented to the court, it allows us to tie in each particular document that needs to be created and sent to the court with where each client is at in terms of signing it or further information for the court. That's particularly helpful because it cuts down on the time that we need to follow up on each particular stage and lets us know where we're at every point in the process.
Since process models were implemented in the real estate settlements work group, we've discovered their effectiveness across all areas of our firm. We now have process models for wills, family law, marketing tasks, and even for recruiting new staff.